In this video, I'll show you how to save tabs in the Tooltip menu so you can quickly access them later. Let's get started. Hover over the app icon to see the Tooltip menu, then hover over a tab under History and click on the bookmark icon. A copy of the tab is now listed under Saved Items. Click on the pencil icon. Edit the name so that it's easy to find with search. You can upload your own icon too. Then choose where you want the link to open and click Save. You can now remove the tab because it's now stored in the app Tooltip. Let's repeat this process using another item under History. Click on the bookmark icon, followed by the pencil icon. Then, edit the name, and upload your own icon if you want to. Finally, choose where you want it to open and click on Save. You can now enjoy a tidier tab strip. You can also add any URL to the Tooltip's saved items list. Click on the Add icon and paste in your URL. Then type in the name of your item. Upload any image from your computer to use as the icon, and choose where it opens. This time we'll choose to open it in a new window, and click Save. So let's take a look at our new saved items and try them out. The first two open as tabs in the tab strip. And our custom item opens in a new window as we requested. And here's another handy tip. You can also click on the share icon in the saved items header to open them all in a new window. That's all for this video. I'll leave you to enjoy your much tidier tab strip. Thanks for watching.